Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, it is sponsored by a really cool brand called Glamnetic. Here is the package that they sent me right here. This packaging, let me tell you, it's so cute. It's like a holographic type of mailer. But I love when like companies have really cute packaging. I just feel like it adds... Get down. Goodbye. I just feel like it adds to the whole experience and the whole, you know, product. So they sent me two different types of eyelashes that I'm going to be showing you guys how to put them on, what I think about them. And the really cool thing about this is they are magnetic, so you don't have to worry about using sticky glues. They have like an eyeliner that's like a magnetic formula, and then the eyelashes can stick right onto your eyes. Okay, so the two lashes that I'm gonna be reviewing today is the VIP lashes, which are just a simple medium cat eye, and then the other lashes that I'm going to be reviewing are called Ecstasy Extra, and these have a little bit of pink in them, and they're a long cat eye. Please remember to use my code 15Samantha for 15% off your order, and this is valid for 2 months from when this video goes up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on some of their magnetic eyeliner so that way it can help the eyelashes stick to my eye. 10 out of 10 on the packaging, I'm telling you. These are just my vibe. The holographic and the pink is really cute. So this is how the pen looks. It's like a felt tip pen. So as you can see, it's really good for precision and everything. Do I want to do dramatic eyeliner? Or do I want to do basic eyeliner? I think we're just going to do dramatic, because why not? So I'm going to go ahead and let this eyeliner dry. I'm going to put on a little bit of mascara to blend my lashes in more. Alright. Ooh, really nice, dramatic. I'm going to let these dry before I put on the lashes. So the first lashes that I'm going to try out are the VIP lashes that look like this. This is a medium cat eye, like I said earlier. And this is really cute. This would be probably more of what I'll be wearing every day. Well, not every day, but like when I put on lashes. We're just gonna go ahead and stick them right on to the eyeliner. Wow. It went on so easily. I tried a brand from the beauty supply store. I think it was the Kiss brand, and it was the same concept, but this one just went on so seamlessly and so easy. First set of lashes, the VIP lashes, were like a success. Compared to the cheaper brands, I can say that you only need one layer of eyeliner for these to stick. When I tried the like knockoff or like, you know, cheaper version from the beauty supply store, I needed 2 layers. So that just speaks about the quality of this product. I'm impressed, like 100% honesty. I'm really happy. And the good thing is it comes in this little box that you can store them in with the magnetic strip, so that way they just stick to the magnet and you can keep reusing these. After each use, I'm just gonna like take off the excess eyeliner on the magnetic pieces on the eyelashes, so that way they'll be ready to stick on when I use them again. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place them right there. I'm gonna take the other ones off and do the same thing. So now before I put on the other pair of lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and touch up this eyeliner because some of it did come up when you take off the lashes. So I'm gonna touch that up so it'll be ready for the other ones to stick on. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry before putting on the Ecstasy lashes. The Ecstasy lashes look like it has that pop of pink in it, and they are so super pretty. It goes with my aesthetic like so well, as you can see. I love pink. On.
Mommy, turn the eye.
Oh my goodness, they're so pretty. Thank you.
No, my turn, Mommy. How about I tell you?
Oh my goodness, these are so pretty. Do you guys see that pink popping out of these lashes? Like, these are everything. These are like freaking birthday lashes if you want to like go all out. Like, these are so pretty, and I also believe they had other colors on their website as well. So if you're not a big fan of pink, they also have other colors that you can choose from. I just love it. It's like a subtle pink. It's not like I have bold pink lashes because it still has some black lashes in there, but oh my goodness, these are so cute. Like, these are awesome, and I will be purchasing more because these lashes are just so easy to apply, so easy to take off, easy cleanup. I can have glue stuck on my lashes for like 2 days, even though I like take my, you know, makeup remover and get the glue off. There's always still some residue left and it gets on my nerves. With this, it's just like basic eyeliner, so I'm just going to take it right off, and I am in love. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification button so that way you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. I will have a code down in the description box. I will have a code down below for a discounted price on some of these lashes, so don't forget to use my promo code if you decide to order these. I love them. I hope you guys love them. And yeah, these are just so beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.